If you ever have a lot of tabs open in Opera and you need to find one fast, this video is going to help you do exactly that. I'm going to show you how to search for tabs in Opera in just a few simple steps so you can save time and get back to the page you actually need. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top left corner and click on the Opera logo. This opens the main Opera menu where you can access a bunch of browser tools and settings. Now scroll down through the menu until you see the Search tabs option. This feature is really useful when you have dozens of tabs open and you don't want to manually click through each one. Click Search tabs and a search window will appear. From here, you have two easy ways to find what you need. You can start typing the name of the tab, website, or keyword into the search bar, and Opera will filter the results for you in real time. Or if you already see the tab you want in the list below the search bar, you can simply click it directly. That's it. Once you click the tab you need, Opera will take you straight to it, making it much faster to switch between pages and stay organized. This is especially helpful if you use Opera for work, school, research, or everyday browsing and you don't want to lose track of important tabs. And now you know how to search for tabs in Opera the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.